Welcome to the podcast. We are live again. The
Live.
daily pod continues.
It does.
And
It does indeed.
So, in fairness to us,
Mm.
the last time we did something like this was during the pandemic. And the reason why na-halt lang yung last week, nagkasakit kami because of all the hard work we've been doing.
Because we were doing a daily pod. We're modern idiots.
Before we go into the news again, the daily gym, the daily calm.
Oh yeah. Okay,
Ano naman tawag ko din?
Daily gym.
The daily gym.
Daily jam.
Gymism.
Gym.
Anyway,
Gymportant news.
this was a really sweet meditation I had this morning.
Mhm.
Medyo nakakaiyak siya, in fair.
Oh.
So what you do is you imagine yourself as a toddler, and then you say one statement to that toddler. And then as a teen, you say one statement. And then as a young adult, one statement. Again, if you're younger, let's say if you're Gen Z or younger, you could talk to your future self.
Oh.
And tingnan mo, when you do talk, let's imagine talking to your toddler self. Would you be like,
cute, hello.
Wabi, hi Wabi.
Halika na, sayaw na. 50 pesos, sayaw. Charot.
would you
My ninangs would do that.
pero what would you do? Diba you'd say, parang like, honestly, like what I was saying to myself was like, okay lang yan.
Yeah.
You're okay.
Oh.
Parang even to weird teen Jim.
Weird.
What I told weird teen Jim was, you don't need anyone's approval. You're fine. You'll be fine. You're gonna meet Sab and life is gonna be cool. Anyway, and but
Pause. Insert lang ako ng isang tidbit.
So hindi nakikinig sa...
Nakikinig ako.
Okay.
Nakikinig ako. Do you know why that's important?
Why?
Why that's a great exercise? It's because how we talk to our kids now as their toddlers, that's gonna become their inner voice. If you're nagging yourself all the time, that's because your parents were nagging you all the time.
Oh my God! Kaya pala. Hindi, kaya pala kasi I grew up nga na, makikidnap ka na. Okay, makikidnap ka na. So ako, I'm always thinking like, oh shit, okay.
Something bad is gonna happen.
Something bad's gonna happen. So anyway, when I was talking to myself, by doing that exercise, and it ends with, then talk to yourself now. Kasi most of the time, during the day, we're just always like, hindi naman ako dapat dito eh. This shouldn't be my job. I shouldn't be dating this person. I shouldn't be this. I shouldn't be this anxious. I shouldn't be depressed. I shouldn't be blah. I shouldn't be this. I shouldn't be that. But if a future version of yourself or a person outside who has more compassion, because we are, as beings, are generally less compassionate towards ourselves.
Yeah.
So the starting point of getting better is just learning how to be compassionate towards yourself. And that's my biggest... Ganda no na your inner voice is... The inner voice that you have is what your parents fed you or your surrounding...
What your caregivers during your
everyone.
Formative years were saying to you.
So a way to change that, and I'm sure most of us grew up nga na, madadapa ka, mahuhulog ka.
Sinasabi ko na sa'yo eh. Ano sabi? Kita?
Oo. So...
Tumahimik ka, pakainin kita ng sili. Grabe.
We grew up like that. And, no, okay lang.
Okay.
It's okay. Sorry. We grew up like that. And, so in order to change that inner voice, ang ganda lang ng exercise na yun. Na parang, if I were to talk to younger Jim, I would be nice and say like, yo, okay lang yan. So why don't I talk to Jim now and say, yo, okay lang yan. It's okay.
I wish you could hear yourself and how you talk to our kids now. It's just so beautiful and you're so nice. And if you could be that way towards yourself, naiiyak ako, tama na! Good morning!
Make that a TikTok reel.
Wake up!
TikTok reel. Sorry, is that
TikTok
like... Is that a boomer thing? Kailangan natin i-TikTok yan. Bakit ba hindi pa nati-TikTok?
Gawa ka ng boomerang para sa TikTok reel.
Gawa na tayo ng TGIF.
What's that?
GIF?
It's a GIF.
GIF?
You know,
Pare, hindi ko kailangan ng peanut butter ngayon.
Hindi ko gets.
GIF.
GIF?
Sir, hindi po yun.
Jiffy?
GIF, peanut butter.
GIF.
Anyway, let's go to the news. energy for the news. Laki talaga ng mga jug dito ni Sam.
Sarap.
And then boom, she got a bunch of like these clean canteen tumblers in.
No, this one is Taiso.
Na
sobrang tagal niyang binubudol sa atin ng Podkids. Pero ngayon, meron na silang ganito, yung parang Stanley.
Fair question. Does it keep it cold?
I'm not sure.
Yun yung pinaka-issue ko sa mga ganyan.
But it's pretty cool because
in fairness, sa lahat ng mga flask at mga tumbler, the only one that has kept things cold to my standard of cold
is Clean Canteen.
In fair, ang Clean Canteen parang ref.
But you've never owned a Stanley.
Oh, pero nasira nga yung sa'yo eh. Na apparently indestructible. Like that screen protector na binili ko na sabing indestructible.
Ito.
Yan.
Anong brand nito?
Hindi ko alam.
Stanley. Anyway.
Okay, news. So obviously, the biggest news is if you haven't heard and you're...
This was yesterday, right?
Yeah, and you're pretty awesome that you don't have Twitter. We're gonna... Again, sorry.
Jim and I deleted Twitter and Threads.
Yeah. I deleted IG.
I have not.
Because I've just been on a bad loop na pagising ko naglo-loop ako. So it's like, I'll end the loop. But please tag us on Instagram.
I will still see it.
Yeah. So big news. Trump. There was an assassination attempt at Trump. So I cannot believe na in our lifetime. I saw this meme.
Ugh, shivering.
I saw this meme na our generation, millennials, Gen Zs, they are like, so we've done a global pandemic.
9/11.
May 9/11, may presidential assassination, may war. Oh my God. So I just can't, like when I saw nga the news, grabe, I realized how ano ba, parang naging numb na tayo.
Yeah, jaded. Hey, jaded.
Parang like
underrated song.
For something like that, so something that big of an event. Now you just...
I know, that's what happened.
While you're having coffee, like, what's next?
Yeah, that is it.
Oh, binaril yung presidente ng the most powerful nation in the world.
He's not the president.
Oh shit, si Zendaya, nasa Wimbledon. Diba? Grabe!
Tsaka ano na tayo, we're also very, because of all the fake stuff, we're like, sobrang fake yun.
And nakakatawa. Again,
I'm not saying it's not fake, but
that's what, so that's what.
I don't know what to believe
anymore. So Trump was at a rally and then he was shot at. And then
it grazed his
ear. He was bleeding, and then the Secret Service did this. Of course, nakakatawa, something as big as this, mga memes about like mga Mickey Mouse skating, mga dancing, kasi ganun yung itsura ng mga Secret Service. Like they were covering him, and then Trump did a power pose.
Did the seal the deal thing.
And then was saying like, fight, fight, fight. And obviously, nakakatawa nga yung, there's the picture, there's this, and if it wasn't Trump, imagine if this was Attorney Lenny. And she did that fucking thing na inatake siya, we would be like, Woof! So that's why this is the Oppenheimer moment.
Yeah.
Yung, alam mo yun, na the photographer, did you see that meme? That the guy who took the photo is like Oppenheimer at the end of Oppenheimer. Like yung parang, what have I done?
From what I hear, that image with I don't know if this is fake news, but the image with the flag is not true. Like that flag was added to make it more dramatic.
Fake news naman yun, sabi.
Excuse me,
Saan mo nakuha yan? TikTok?
Sa comment sa isang Instagram post. Parang,
okay,
that's
so,
AI.
yung link na sinend ni Purdue,
so he's fine,
sumisingil
right?
ng $6.25 per
Hindi
week.
naman, $1 a week.
Okay. Purdue, pabayad na lang nito.
Pa-reimburse na lang. Hindi. We can see it naman.
Okay. You
want
to read it? One. So now, there is obviously, I think what's the scariest thing about this moment is this is what the radical war freak side of America needed.
Yeah, this is the...
Even if he died, nothing could have come, nothing good could have possibly come out of this event. Missed, hit. Diba?
Yeah, it's an attempt. So that's the bullet they need. I mean, I didn't mean to use, but that's a stupid. I'm sorry.
Pero it's kumbaga the significance of the action kasi it signifies war.
Somebody died in the rally.
Yeah.
And then, because there were several shots fired. And then I saw an interview. This is sa BBC. There was a guy who was interviewed. And then he was saying that he saw the shooter on a roof. And it was a good 3 to 4 minutes. And he was telling the cops, like, there's a guy who's crawling on the roof with a rifle. And they weren't doing anything.
There's actual footage. I don't know. May lumabas rin na footage of the guy.
So the
mere fact that someone was able to
see it,
shoot.
Yeah.
I mean, take a video of the guy.
Yeah.
Can you, pa-fact check nga kami. Pero may mga videos na lumalabas na, of the shooter, like, ready to shoot. Anyway, people are claiming. So now, what's happening is here.
This is by Roberta Braga.
Instagram commenter Roberta Braga.
No, she is the founder of the think tank Digital Democracy Institute of the Americas. And she said, we are about to see a lot of disinformation spreading about who is behind the shooting, who executed it, and the events that led up to this moment. Watch for emotional language. Because there are a lot of investigation going. There's a lot of investigation going on. And the guy, his name is Crooks. The shooter. So he is dead now. And he is apparently a registered Republican. So that's what's making people like question things. Yeah.
So basically, mga conspiracy theories are saying on both ends. Basically, it's saying they're saying
so scary.
It's possible.
There is a representative of the Republican party, si Mike Collins. He posted it on X, aka Twitter. He said Joe Biden sent the orders, and that's so dangerous.
The freak.
That's dangerous. Kasi, it's
if you guys are watching The Boys, lalo na tong season 4, it's so amazing how they've been, making fun of the whole what's going on in America, and it's very, very accurate. Yung parang the Chinese vaccine, the ganyan, all these, basically all this misinformation. Super, vote na vote talaga. Anyway, what I think why this event is making things worse is that Biden nga is
malfunctioning.
Is malfunctioning since the debate.
Even before.
Hindi, pero the thing is, I've been sobrang nag-deep dive ako dito sa mga political analyst podcasts.
Because you've seen some of the footage na, even before the debate, na he's just like parang naghang siya.
Yeah, pero apparently, if you weren't watching pala, if you were, let's say, an undecided or a Democrat, kasi if there's a filter on the Republican side, the Trump side, na pro-Trump, there's also a filter on the pro-Biden.
What do you mean by filter?
Na parang kuwari, let's say, if you're a Trump
supporter,
all the content you
Maga.
consume, whether it's on X, on the news, because you're watching Fox News, like yun nga, stations facts that are biased towards him. Those things will feed parang basically will feed
echo chamber
siya na parang Trump is good, whatever, ang lakas niya. And if you're Biden, ang daming nagagawa ng administration, blah blah blah. So the political analysts are saying na,
as I fix my hair, okay,
we're talking about real stuff here.
Yeah.
So the political analysts were saying na one of the biggest mistakes nga of the Democratic Party is everyone in the inside knew na talaga, like you consume balanced content, right?
Yeah. So I'd like to think so.
Yeah, I mean, so you notice that, right? Pero for the apathetic swing voter, that was simple lang ang decision niya na I don't want Trump to be president. I don't want a fascist. Diba? And then parang you are set
up. Super set siyang Biden ako.
Parang because there's no choice. And then the debate happens.
And then everybody, that's why parang hashtag it's Jover.
It was the worst thing ever. And then another thing that
for those who didn't watch the debate, can you just quickly say why?
So yun, it showed na he is basically 82 years old. 82, I'm not sure, but 80 plus, and he's yung level of pagiging
parang he think he ate.
Yung mga senior moments niya were incredible. So Jon Stewart nga, in a recent pod, he said, narinig ko yung radyo.
Oh no.
Laugh trip.
Okay. If you're hearing that weird frequency thing, it's picking up something. Maybe we should move this a little bit.
Yan. Oh, yan, nawala.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yan. So, meron.
Okay. Sabi ni Princess, wala namang naririnig.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry. Let us know if there's like a weird...
That's what happens when you're in a building, apparently, na pick up yung mga AM radio.
Okay.
So, anyway, ang point ko is, si Jon Stewart was saying na
malakas siya.
Well, for me. Pero, he was saying na even the debate was like a job interview.
Yeah.
So even if he was interviewing for a product manager or a cashier or a bus driver, he wouldn't have passed. Tapos ang laban ng mga Democrats is, why are you saying that? You're discounting what he did for the past 4 years. Ang laban ni Jon Stewart was, sabi niya, but he's running for the next 4.
Yeah.
So what are you showing the people who are parang who are on the fences?
Yeah.
Diba? So, yan, scary times. And you'd like to think na parang, and I would like to think na, if here's why this matters, okay? If Trump wins, the level of disinformation, the level of stupidity, the level of pro-violence and whatever will aabot yan dito, guys. The reason why Duterte and all this whole thing that's been going on with us is because nga, yun nga. I mean, and it's happening worldwide. And in fairness, buti pa kay France and I forget who, they almost got into a similar situation where parang
a strong
fascist-ish dude was gonna win the elections, and it was so intense apparently, but they came together and won. Ang flop talaga dito. Parang
I can't believe those are their only options. That's wild.
Ang sabi ni, sorry, I keep name dropping. Sabi ni John Estrada na sabi ni John Manalo na
si John Prats.
Sabi ni John Prats na
nag-direct daw siya ng bagong show.
Na si Biden, parang the reason why he won't back down is a simple thing as money. all you kasi in the States sobrang
siya?
strict nila na you can't transfer funds. It's not like here na
So
parang
lahat ng na-raise
bigyan
na
na lang kita ng franchise ng Petron gas station.
So lahat ng hindi ko gets. Anyway, okay, sorry. Lahat ng funds na na-raise for Biden, what would happen to that if he stepped down?
Wala. It's in you can't.
Would it be in the Democrat fund?
No. Yes, I'm sure. Sabi ni John.
I mean, okay. Off the top of your head, sino yung tatakbo sa states na sure panalo? Against Trump?
Chapel Roan.
No. I mean, I would certainly vote for Chapel, but
sino ba?
Di ba sabi nila dati, Jarak?
Jarak? Wala, naging badwi siya
Kasi nagalit sa kanya yung mga tao because he said, I'm not gonna endorse anyone. And everyone's like, because he was kind of, parang anything he was part of, it was a success. So everyone's like,
and then his movie started tanking rin. Hindi magandang timing. Kevin Hart? Nakakatawa kasi hindi nga pwede super liberal. Pero I think it would have been, I think I would go Mark Cuban. Kasi at least you can, kasi si Mark Cuban.
Pero yung star power, kulang.
Hindi, I think that Mark Cuban would win among the liberals.
Tapos yung mga
Shark Tankers.
Tsaka yung mga, yung mga basketball players to campaign for him.
Yeah.
LeBron James would win.
No.
Why? Everybody loves LeBron James, right?
No. The problem, yun nga yung hindi nga pwede ganun. Hindi naman to parang dito, na if tumakbo si, I think, Vice Ganda. Would Vice Ganda win here?
Probably.
You think? Parang kaya,
Maybe, yeah.
Could Vice Ganda beat, who's the next? Sino ba ang tatakbong next?
John Estrada?
Yeah.
Who else would win here? Catherine Bernardo. Nadine Lustre. Si President.
You think she could win?
Probably not.
Hindi. Kasi yun nga, ito yung favorite term nga nila, Ali. Yung political machinery. Na apparently, more than the popular vote. Nakakatawa. Bakit parang I'm so...
You're a political analyst.
Am I a political analyst? Oh my God!
Can I also be one? What about like Ann Curtis?
Kaya ni Ann.
I would... Love Ann! Love Ann.
Love Ann.
Yeah, that's actually her hashtag. Ano ba?
Really?
Yeah, she used that for Lenny.
Ang ganda
Love Ann Lenny.
She would fucking win.
I would vote.
I'd vote for her.
She'd be like, anong next?
No, she
Erwan
would
yung magiging parang cinematographer ng Pilipinas.
She would win.
Solen for president.
Mas Ann. Pero, ito.
Willie Revillame was about to run sana for senator. Alam mo kung sino mananalo? I don't even want to talk about it. Never mind.
So, yeah, I think that's the major difference. Dito, anyway, yung political machinery. Quick lang. In a nutshell.
Okay.
You can be Ann Curtis, pero if let's say the barangay captain in this province or this, yan yung mga seeds na plinant ng mga political dynasties all these years.
Yep.
Na parang kahit ganong ka, even if you're President Nadine, but like these guys went to the wake of the barangay captain's son and gave 10,000. That means more, that would mean more than anything. And that for them it was life-changing and they are forever indebted. Yeah. It's an evil thing because obviously it's very short term.
Yeah.
Na parang anyway.
I don't want to be a political analyst anymore. So let's move on. Let's move on.
Okay.
I want to talk about the Katy Perry new single.
So I wrote here na I want to talk about
called?
The Katy Perry flop. So apparently, kasi parang nakita ko while this was happening with the shooting and all the stuff, may mga memes na parang Katy Perry right now. Like, thank God. Kinalimutan
Kasi
na
nawala
yung
focus
kaflapan.
sa kanya.
So apparently, again, before we read the article, from what I know is that sobrang parang very deliberate yung parang feminism.
I didn't
And then
watch
the
the
definition
video.
of feminism was so outdated.
And the dead on arrival disaster
Yeah.
of Katy Perry's return to music. How did she get it so wrong?
Flop
era. So, did you see yung...
So there were copycat allegations.
So from the start of the era, when Katy Perry was just posting pics on her Instagram and teasing a logo for the new era, she was bombarded with claims it was a bit of a Charlie XCX ripoff. The comparisons to Charlie's logos and Brat aesthetics, Brat is Charlie's new album, were notable. But it wasn't anything major to drag Perry for, in my opinion. Things got a bit worse when Katy Perry announced Woman's World. Yun yung new song. I didn't watch it, but I did see. Can I show something on
Why don't we
playback?
watch it?
No, we can't.
Why? YouTube.
Hindi, kasi actually, pwede. Let's watch it together.
Yeah.
Sige, pwede ba? Tell us if it's Shopee.
Or baka on TikTok or something.
Pero I wanted to show it lang. Talk lang first.
Okay.
I'm gonna show because I didn't see the video yet, but I did see this short behind the scenes explanation of her explaining the video.
Oh, yun
so cringe.
Yun yung super cringe daw.
Wait, hold on.
Naka-screen share ka na?
Hindi pa. Wait. Where is it? I'm looking for it.
So anyway, apparently like Katy Perry was the worst thing you can do to a song is
to over-explain
it. Yeah, actually.
Ito game.
Okay.
I shall share it. This is from Saint Hoax.
Girl, you were born to shine. And we're kind of just having fun, being a bit sarcastic with it. It's very slapstick and very on the nose. And with this set, it's like, ooh, we're not about the male gaze, but we really are about the male gaze. And we're really
that is
overplaying
so
it
cringy.
and on the nose because I'm about to get smashed, which is like a reset for me and a reset for my idea of feminine divine. And
that is
a whole
so
different
cringe.
world we go to.
Look at her back.
We wanted to open this video making it look like a super high gloss pop star video, and that's what it is. Woo! Yeah! Girl
Let's
boss
read the
shit.
comments.
You can do it. You go, girl. You were born to shine.
I
Stop
feel
na.
bad for Katie's backup dancers. You can tell they're in the back cringing hard, but like, this is your paycheck, girl. Just smile. My
Oh
goodness.
my God.
I don't know. There's something though about I've been noticing. Kasi the reason why like hindi ko pinanood yung video and everything is because like I didn't understand why parang may okay, now I know pala. The reason why people are angry at Katy Perry.
Why?
It's because she is doing this feminist thing. But for her record, she worked with Dr. Luke,
Yun.
the guy
yun pala.
who allegedly sexually assaulted Kesha for like her whole contract. Parang her whole, yeah. And parang hindi siya makaalis sa contract niya. And yeah, so people have not been working with that guy because of that. And then biglang Katy Perry worked with him.
What the
weird.
freak?
It's so weird. And then but what I don't understand is parang bigla ang nagkakaroon ng like parang the whole internet hates on someone for a time, right?
Yeah.
Like, sorry, yung sipon ko. Like right now it's Katy Perry, but remember like last month it was J-Lo? Like everybody just hated J-Lo.
Why?
It was like, she was like, I'm from the Bronx.
Tagal na niyang ginagawa yun eh.
Pero ewan ko, siguro kasi, and then Ben Affleck, naghiwalay sila, diba?
Natuloy ba yun?
Fake news ba yun?
Parang hindi.
And then she released her movie and then the documentary about that movie. And then parang for me, it's just like, okay, but why are you guys so mad?
I
People are
didn't.
saying she's not a nice person. I don't know. I just feel like it's a very, ewan ko, I just don't get it why people are hating on people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, next.
Pero si Katy Perry was like...
I wrote here,
Cringe.
so ito si our basketball correspondent, Trisha, managed to go google.com and search PBA draft. And the reason why I wanted to talk about this was
Okay.
if you look at the quick lang.
Okay, go.
As I mentioned, I am a strong proponent of PBA, the Philippine basketball world
Okay.
is like it's like oil. Okay? It's a commodity that we have great resource of it. Pero we just have these dinosaurs who are saying, "Hey, lagay lang natin yan sa bodega," di ba? Parang or something.
One TikTok reel.
So, the PBA draft happened again.
Okay.
And my God.
Hmm.
Like, give these guys a break. Like,
What happened?
please don't give them monoblock chairs.
Oh, really?
Monoblock chairs, tapos,
What is it? Like, pag draft ba? It's what usually happens pag hindi,
Kuwari.
kung hindi PBA, or let's say NBA?
it's parang syempre, it's like a momentous.
Where does it happen usually pag kunwari sa NBA?
Honestly, the PBA could have done it in any function room or whatever. Just have nice chairs. Parang hindi man mahal kumuha ng PD eh. Yun yung point ko eh. Yun yung lumalabas yung pagka-dinosaur
They
eh.
didn't even have covers on the monoblock chair.
Parang either monoblock chair or parang renent ng parang kunin mo na lang yan. May mga upuan yung pamangkin ko. Ganon.
Do you have a picture of this?
That's why yung sinend ko actually was a TikTok eh. Of them like in the chairs, and then yung sabi yung tarp na naman.
Ano?
Yung print na, parang paprint mo na yung tarp. Parang, uy, may nagdala ng tarp? Wala nagdala ng tarp? Paprint ka na ngayon, bilis. Nandito naman tayo.
Wait, that's
They're in the mall eh. Yan,
ito. Hindi naman siya
Pero sabi,
monoblock.
tas puro tarp. Tas tingnan mo, these guys are dressing up.
They're in a mall?
Yeah. They're in the middle of a mall.
Where can I find this picture that I can share? Okay. Patulong. May pa-red carpet pa yung
Yan.
PVL draft, then formal event. May buffet. Ano yung PVL?
I don't know. Pero, so yun nga,
Mukha silang umattend ng job interview tuloy.
Yun nga, ganun.
Job fair yarn.
Ganun.
PBA is a proud sponsor of Job Street.
Pero sabi,
PVL is Volleyball Pro League.
yun, no, see? That's what I'm saying. Like, yun nga yung sisay ko na parang, ilang taon yun ang ginagawa to. Like, how the hell are you gonna make this a premium thing? Tapos, parang, it's such a disservice to the players. Parang, wala man lang kahit anong training for them. Like, get a fucking good photographer. You can't get a good photographer for this event kasi these are your assets for the fucking league.
Yeah.
Make them look cool. Pero kung yung mga picture mo kung parang yung, hey, camera mo na lang oh. Tapos parang yung the main draft thing is yun nga, the stage is puro tarp, Pinoy tarp sa likod. Tapos parang OHP projector na naka-PowerPoint. Oo.
Like you could really make it cool.
You could, ganito, instead of putting it in the middle of Trinoma or whatever.
You get like Green Sun.
Sabi, rent out a fucking condo. Get a cool PD like whoever, who's our, like, get Andrew Aquino.
Andrew of Lunchbox.
And then like get a cool PD or go to
Trisha.
Make a deal with sino yung mga mahal na furniture store?
IKEA.
Ayun, go sabi mo IKEA.
Dimensione.
Mag-PBA draft.
Walang T. Mag-PBA draft.
4 a.m. dito sila para and then we'll shoot kami, tas parang whatever.
When you said condo, you mean like a function room?
Yeah, or whatever. Or parang ang dali-dali to make it fucking cool.
Kapag gawa ka ng PowerPoint presentation kay Sa design ng logo ng Pagcor.
Pero yun lang, talaga grabe yung pagka-dinosaur. And I can't. So anyway, I just wanted to...
It could have been really cool, huh?
Yeah. So since tayo, medyo nag-overtime tayo.
Overtime na ba tayo?
A bit. I started a thread na very low engagement on bit.kids bit.ly/podkids after party, where I wanted, since kakasweldo lang, like ano yung iisang budol nyo?
Ay, wait, sorry. Just
Ayan,
for
ito.
For the sake of
for the playbackers,
we're gonna show you what we're talking about.
While Sab's doing that, again, please, if you become a member of Playback and join our channel, that's supporting the pod. You don't have to join the live. Look at the editing of the reels, rin, sabi.
But this is from the...
I know, but that's the only way you can watch it. That's the thing.
How do I replay it?
You know. Well, just a bunch of dudes with like...
Honestly, it's not that bad.
Hindi, sabi.
It's just it's media coverage.
Maybe, but you're just seeing the highlights kasi.
Okay.
If you watch it live on TV, it looks so sad. Kasi syempre ngayon, it's fast cut eh.
I think it's the weird lighting.
Yun nga, yung point nga, puro mga dinosaur to mga to.
Yeah. Could have been really cool.
It could be cool. Make profiles.
And so PBA draft, meaning these guys are young.
And the thing is, I'm not even saying that these guys have to...
Mosho Yarn. You know, bigla na lang may kakanta ng, it's a love story, baby, just say. Palakpakan, wala ba kayo mga kamay? Ito na, ang rain or shine.
Oh, what I took a screenshot pala is here, last. We're going all over the place. Pero lastly, again, join Playback. .tv/Jim and Sab,
it's free.
And it's for free, and you can help support the pod. For tomorrow's episode, so mga playbackers, please either go to the thread na lang kasi sobrang low engagement. Post ako ng shoes ko. Basically, hinihingi ko, sabi ko, ano yung bet nyong isang budol? And for what category? So let's say household, smart bulbs ng blank.
Okay.
Ito si Gian. Winning boxing gloves. So it is winning, yun yung brand. Nico said Nova Blast 4.
Ano yun?
Yung first pair of my daily trainers for running.
Oh.
So puro running na to, yung mga running natics, puro mga nagpo-post. So yun, pahingi ng mga budol, tomorrow we'll discuss. And then kung
happy ako sa Taiso budol ko. Budoled by my mom and sister.
Tingnan natin sino yung mabubudol. Anyway, last before we end.
Meron na akong isa pang thread sa Podkids After Party. Yung the dumbest thing you believed as a child.
That's what we can do tomorrow. So tomorrow, panote, we can do that, and then the budol thing. I would like to read.
Okay.
I was shocked.
What? Budol?
I hope you know na if you're listening to this, I have not watched a single game of PBA in 5 years.
So why do you have an opinion?
Because nga, the mere fact that I haven't seen anything.
Oh, because you used to be into it.
I mean, kailang. Yeah, but parang the mere fact, it's our own. It's our own talent. And tingnan mo how these dinosaurs operate na. It's only available on cable or whatever. So anyway, these are the names of the teams.
So you can't watch it online?
No. It's a very poor streaming service now. You have to pay for, and it's not even on YouTube.
It's not even like
there was a time it was on YouTube.
Parang UAAP had it on Studio 23, remember?
Hindi rin. Yeah. Pero ano rin medyo may pagka-dinosaur rin yung pagka-stream nun.
I don't know anymore.
Anyway.
There's live stream of PBA games on Facebook ng One Sports. In fairness, okay, meron pala.
Okay. Here we go.
Fake news ka naman, Jim eh. Thank you, Saint Mel.
Free? Free ba, Saint Mel?
Free nga, Facebook nga eh. Oh.
Hindi. That's not
sabi
true.
Niya, eh, oh, yes, free. Oh. Sige nga, pasok, tawag ka dito sa amin. Mag-debate kayo ni Jim na show.
Okay, here we go.
When are we gonna have a caller?
Oo nga eh.
Maybe tomorrow.
Sabi.
Okay, game.
Converge Fibersers.
Fibersers?
Fibersers.
Ano yung Fibersers?
Fiber, Xers.
Xers?
Fiber, Xers.
Okay. Xers.
Ganun ba? Fiber. Ay, how do you say that?
Xers daw, sabi ni Trisha.
Pero it's Fibersers. Fiber Xers. Kasi it's Fibexers.
Xers.
So, hindi mo babasahin yung fiber.
Fiber Xers.
Fiber Xers. Putang.
Okay, and then, tell me about it.
Next. No, I'm just reading the team names. Just so...
Wait, I thought that was a budol.
No.
It's Fiber Xers?
The name of the team.
Is that a new name?
Yeah. Converge Fiber
Wait, so
Xers.
every year may bagong team?
They change the names. You will not believe
Okay, I can't
yung
wait.
iba.
Wait, can you make up some stuff and then I'll tell you if
Okay.
it's true or not?
Okay.
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 Fiber Xers? What the freak does that even mean?
That's
Parang Twitter, ganun. Right? Kasi X.
oh. Yeah. Blackwater bossing.
No way. Gago. No way. No way. Blackwater. What is that? The Battle of Blackwater?
Blackwater is a cologne.
That's not a cologne.
It's a cologne, please.
Isn't it blue
Please,
water?
mga playbackers. It is. See? It's a cologne. Si Christian Bautista. Because there's something in the way. Blackwater. That's the theme song. Yeah. It's as if my cologne
Bakit hindi si
is the
Vic Soto
missing
bossing?
scent.
Gago.
Oo nga, bakit hindi si Vic Soto?
Ay, acheche.
Okay.
Battle of Blackwater.
It's true.
Wildfire.
So, just to confirm, it is true.
okay.
Okay. Next.
Blackwater Bossings?
Ha?
That's the name?
Bossing. One is singular.
So, anong tawag sa kanila?
Bossing.
Labo. Parang Los Angeles Laker.
Isn't it like though? But it can be singular naman, like Justice. If it became Los Angeles Justice,
So, anong tawag sa'yo? Parang, ano ka? Just this
like
ka?
Oklahoma City Thunder.
Thunder?
Thunder sila.
Thunders. Yung tawag sa kanila.
Thunder.
Pero Thunders yung tawag niyo.
No one calls them Thunders.
OKC?
OKC.
Ayaw.
Yeah,
Parang
ayaw.
go.
Okay,
Name a basketball player from Oklahoma City.
go.
Johnson.
What? Jonathan Givony.
Major Adams.
Okay. Okay, next. Phoenix Fuel Birds.
Fuel Bird.
True or false?
True.
False.
What is it really?
Phoenix Fuel Masters. The Fuel Birds could have been better. Di ba?
Probably not because of how what I mean we yeah.
Oy, mga
Probably
tite.
Your tite is on fire. HOTTOGO.
Eto na, mga Phoenix tite!
Phoenix, stop it.
Okay. Next.
Phoenix penis.
Here we go.
Because Phoenix is a gas brand, right?
Northport Batang Pier.
Totoo yan.
Narinig mo na kay Ali yan eh, no?
Batang Pier?
Yeah.
What is Northport?
Probably like a
Like
shipping...
maybe like a pier.
like a shipping company, I guess. It's a port.
Northport is a port.
Northport is a port. Thank you, St. Bell.
Okay, so like anything can have a basketball team now.
Okay. Ito.
Gawa tayo ng Wake Up with Jim and Sab Bod Kids.
Oh, what is the Wake Up with Jim and Sab PBA team name? Oh,
Playbackers. Stream natin dito sa playback
okay.
yung game.
Spotifyers. Okay. Magnolia Chicken Templados Hot Shots. True or
That's
false?
not true.
True or false?
That's not true.
Magnolia Chicken Templados Hot Shots.
It's not true. It's true.
It's true. So, ang tawag sa players nila ay Chicken Templados Hot Shots. How do you make that cool?
Ang ganda ng kay D, sabi ni D something si Batang Umaga ni Jim and Sam. Lol. Templados?
Templados. Templados Hot Shots. Hindi pa natapos sa Templados. Chicken
The Hot Shots would have been cool.
Yeah, the Hot Shots cool.
What is it called? Magnolia? Diba Magnolia Hot Shots? Bakit
Magnolia
may Templados?
Magnolia Chicken Templados Hot Shots. That is insane.
That's insane.
That is insane.
Parang masyadong cool yung Magnolia Hot Shots.
Hot
Bigyan mo
Shots,
ng Templados.
Grabe talaga. Siguro it's like the marketing dude of Magnolia is probably like, gusto ko ma-feature na templado yung Hot Shots. Pwede bang templados Hot
Is
Shots?
it because Hot Shots is more aligned with KFC?
Then fucking don't call it Hot Shots.
Oo nga. Has it always been called Hot Shots?
Ako nga just call it Magnolia Chicken Warriors. I mean, that's... Why?
Ba't ito ng Magnolia Chickens?
Okay.
Magnolia Manuks.
Um,
Etong manok ko. Oh, di ba?
okay.
Sorry.
Last. Okay. The Meralco Wire Soldiers.
No, that doesn't even make sense.
Wali, sorry. Terra Firma Jeep.
Terra, ano?
Terra Firma Jeep.
What, like DYIP?
DYIP. Terra Firma Jeep.
That's the
That's the name of the team. Jeep.
No. It's true? Terra Firma Jeep from Barangay Ginebra?
Ang ganda ng, kala ko wire tappers. Ang ganda nun. Meralco wire tapper.
Ganda.
Oh my God. So yun.
Can I see the rest?
Yeah. So it's a sad thing.
Rain or Shine, Elasto Painters.
So what is the episode name, Playbackers? Tulungan nyo naman si Produ.
Barangay Ginebra is a good name.
For the episode?
No. I mean like...
Barangay Ginebra is cool. Yeah. Oh, anyway, we're overtime na pala.
Fiber X.
Thank you. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Please share the story and tell all your friends to
In fairness to Meralco.
be
Meralco
members.
Bolts,
Yeah.
I mean, parang,
That's pretty cool.
They tried.
They tried. Yeah. Surge. Meralco Surge.
Kasi
Yeah.
magiging,
Overpriced. Okay. Bye.
Bye! See you tomorrow!